Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Brenda, and if you've seen me for the first time, it means you're new to this channel. Please don't be afraid of clicking that red button so that you can officially join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Karibu sana, we missed you. And if you're not really new to this channel but you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And so guys, today I decided to take a break from normal advising things. So today we're just going to learn some new things that you can incorporate in your daily living. But I will not deviate so much from advising because I need to make sure that you learn something from me today. So today I'll refer you to my friend. I don't know if you can see the tag below there I don't know if you can see the hashtag below there at Motion TV. You can go there, you can visit that channel for more advising, for more motivation. If you feel lost, you can find your way home in that channel. Feel that you need inspiration, you can go to Motion TV and get inspired. Let's get back to our topic today. So today I am going to show you a simple way of making face mask at home. Instead of buying the face creams, the nice and lovely, the dark and lovely, you can just make your natural remedy at home. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to make the charcoal face mask. The boy here seems to be so determined to be heard in this video, so mkisikia sauti, don't worry, that's my boy. He's trying to speak to me. Okay, so these are the things that we shall need in the next clip. So this is all we'll need. We'll need activated charcoal. Yeah, and the benefit of activated charcoal is that you can, let me just zoom in so that you can able to see that it helps to detox the body. It's also useful in removing poison from the body. It treats diarrhea, and it's also a solution to bad breath. It can also be helpful in relieving sour throat. It's useful in relieving stomach gases. Yes, you can make instead of using Eno, you can just start using activated charcoal. And it's also used in relieving ulcers and heartburn and nausea and vomiting. And this here is our honey. Yeah, so this is the honey that we're going to use. And we also need a bowl. We need a bowl and 2 spoons. And the last thing that we'll need is this. Don't worry, you'll just see the reason why we'll need it. I'll show you. Other than those benefits that I've told you about, now let's get to the benefits of honey and charcoal to the skin. The activated charcoal is useful in absorbing impurities from the skin. Then honey comes in clearing the skin conditions like acne, eczema. So when you combine the two, it makes sure that you are not only clearing impurities from the face, you're also clearing skin conditions. So let's get to the step-by-step procedure of making the face mask. So first, start by adding 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal to a clean bowl. After adding the charcoal, just add some 3 tablespoons of honey to the charcoal. After adding the honey to the charcoal, just mix the mixture thoroughly until it's well blended. We want to ensure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. There you go, that's our mixture. It's almost ready. And it's ready. So yeah. After making your mixture, make sure you wash your face with warm water so that you open up the pores. So after washing your face with warm water, just dry it, then apply the mixture, which I'm going to show you. But first of all, you can apply the mixture while wearing the glove, but for me I'm just going to use my hands. Okay, let's start. You're laughing at me. Oh, it's time. Hello, I'm back. I just washed my face off camera. I don't know if you can see, but my face is now glowing. I feel so good about it right now. So, first of all, you have to know that while washing off the mask, you have to use cold water. So, before applying the mask, use warm water. But while washing it off, you have to use cold water. So I hope you try this at home. I hope you love it, and if you love this video, please don't be afraid of giving me those thumbs ups. Give them to me. I'm feeling awesome right now. I'm feeling like I've really done away with many impurities on my face. I'm feeling awesome, you guys. I don't know if you can feel me. Guys, that was it for today. I hope you try this and give me your reviews. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And that was it for today. Till next time, bye.